This question we put in our last session, Huzur. So Huzur instructed to bring the original reference. Right. So if Imam Sahib read it out.
No, this is a reference from book Haqiqatul Wahi from page 211. Under the sign number 17, which Hazrat Masih Maud Islam has mentioned, he says about Hazrat Sayyid Abdul Lateef Shaheed रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हो, जब हुक्म सुनाया गया कि आप संसार किए जाओगे तो कहा मैं 40 दिन से ज़्यादा मुर्दा नहीं रहूँगा. The explanation is also there. ये इस बात की तरफ इशारा था कि जो खुदा की किताबों में लिखा गया कि मोमिन मरने से चंद रोज़ बाद या नहायत 40 दिन तक ज़िंदा किया जाता और आसमान की तरफ उठाया जाता है. ये वही झगड़ा है जो अब तक हम में और हमारे मुखालिफों में हज़रत ईसा अलैहिस्सलाम के रफ़ा की निस्बत चला आता है.
No, Hazrat Islam has explained himself that when Sahib Sahib said it, he referred to the tradition that a believer is raised again from the dead after, if not earlier, at least within 40 days. Now this was humility of Hazrat Sahib. I'm sure he was raised much sooner, but out of his humility he thought, I could be a believer at least as having been raised after 40 days or within 40 days. So one shouldn't take that saying of Hazrat Sahib literally in the sense of 40 days. It's just an indication of his humility, I think. Now, who is the nightingale of Bengal? Sarojini Naidu? Isn't she? Sarojini Naidu is spoken of as the nightingale of Bengal. You never heard?
I never heard that name.
Yes? Yes, you're right. Yes. And who is the male nightingale of Bengal? Is anyone known to be the male nightingale of Bengal? Who? Very well said. You have got a poem to recite? Or you are not ready? You are not ready? That's right. So the nightingale, male nightingale, should get ready next time. Okay?
I have got the translation of that poem, what he recited last time.
Why not?
As you have instructed, for him it can be translated.
Yes, do it.